Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into our Capital One bank account, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Capital One bank account, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address capitalone.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Capital One. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, we are on the home page of Capital One. Either you can log in from over here or click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen, and from over here you'll be required to enter your username of your Capital One account and have that enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always receive it or reset it from over here where it says forgot username or password. If you click on that, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Capital One bank account. And there guys, this is how to log into your Capital One bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.